Hello, my dear student. Welcome back in our online class with your EVS teacher Shweta Navghare. Now, I am going to show you one rhyme and you guess the name of today's lesson. Okay, children? Enjoy the rhyme.
Home sweet home, it's my home, where we all live together. Home sweet home, it's my home. Home sweet home, it's my home, where we all live together. Home sweet home, it's my home.
Did you guess the lesson name, children? Yes, your guessing is right. Our today's topic is Sweet Home. Lesson number 9, Sweet Home. Nowadays, everybody advising us to stay. Where we have to stay? Yes, stay at home. Means we need a house to live in. We all live in house. So, the house in which we live with our family is called a home. You live with your family, your parents, grandparents, brothers, sisters. Yes, living together teaches us to love one another. It also teaches us to share work and things. Children, everybody's home is different and we have many rooms in our home. Each room has special purpose. Now let me show you what are the different rooms in our sweet home. Let's go. Children, tell me which room is this? Yes, it is a drawing room, or we can also say living room. What we do in the drawing room? We make our guests sit in drawing room. We can also enjoy to watch television in this room. Yes? Okay, children? Now let me show you some other rooms. We are in kitchen now. It is very important part of our home. Here our mother cooks very delicious food for us. Now you have lots of time to help your mother in the kitchen. Okay? Alright then, help your mother in the kitchen. Okay, children? Now let me show you other rooms in the home. Which room is this, children? Yes, it is a dining room. So what we do in the dining room? Do you see table and chairs here? We eat our meal in dining room. So children, always remember dining room is always besides our kitchen. After cooking food, we have our meal in dining room. Hey children, I am in very important room of our house. Yes, it is a bedroom where we can relax. We have a sound sleep in the night. You know our sound sleep is very necessary to keep our body healthy. So take a sleep of 7 to 8 hours and have a rest. Do your work and enjoy in your bedroom. Now let me show you some other rooms in our house. Which room is this, children? Yes, it is a study room. Many of us have study room in our house. So, what do you do in the study room? Do you play games with your friends in the study room? No. Do you sleep in the study room? No. Then what do you do in the study room? Yes, we can study in the study room. We can learn. We can do our homework. As we are studying at home now, so we have plenty of time to read and do homework. So children, use this time and enjoy the study room. Let us move and see some other rooms in our house. Wash your hands time to time for 20 seconds so that the germs keep away. In which room do we wash our hands, children? Yes, this is bathroom. Right? We take shower in bathroom. Also we brush our teeth. We freshen up here. Yes, this is bathroom. Now the next room is toilet. This is toilet. We should keep our toilet always clean. And lastly, children, which room is this? Yes, it is storeroom. In storeroom, we keep things that we don't use often and keep it for later use. Alright? So children, today we have learnt different types of room in our house. What are they? These are drawing room, kitchen, dining room, bedroom, study room, bathroom, toilet and storeroom. So children, all of you try to remember the names of the rooms and their different purpose. Okay children? Read the lesson twice and understand it. And write the names of different rooms in your textbook also. Okay children? Learn the names of the different room also. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you and bye-bye.